Bamberg is a town that feels like stepping into a storybook, with its cobbled streets, medieval charm, and rich history that has earned it recognition as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Located in the Franconian region of Bavaria, Bamberg is often called the Franconian Rome because it is built on 7 hills, each crowned with a church, giving the town a unique skyline and spiritual character. Its roots go back over 1,000 years, when it became an important center of power and religion during the Holy Roman Empire. In the 11th century, Emperor Henry II envisioned Bamberg as a second Rome and left behind architectural treasures that still shape the town today. The Bamberg Cathedral, with its 4 imposing towers, dominates the old town and houses the famous Bamberg Horseman, a mysterious equestrian statue from the Middle Ages that has fascinated historians for centuries. Just nearby, the new residence, once home to Prince Bishops, boasts lavishly decorated halls and the beautiful rose garden that offers sweeping views of the rooftops and spires of the old town. The historic town hall, perhaps the most iconic site in Bamberg, sits dramatically in the middle of the Regnitz River on its own island. Legend says the townspeople, denied land to build a town hall, simply created their own by extending into the river, resulting in one of the most photographed buildings in Germany, with its colorful frescoes and half-timbered structure. Strolling through the old town, visitors discover winding alleys, half-timbered houses, and the picturesque district known as Little Venice. Once a neighborhood of fishermen's houses, it now delights visitors with its romantic waterfront lined with flower-decked balconies and boats gently floating by. Bamberg is also deeply connected with beer culture. It is famous for its smoked beer, or Rauchbier, a local specialty with a distinct smoky flavor. The town has more breweries than many larger cities, and beer gardens and traditional taverns invite you to experience Franconian hospitality. There are plenty of things to do in Bamberg beyond sightseeing. A walk along the Regnitz River offers peaceful views, and boat rides provide a different perspective of the town. The Altenburg Castle, perched on one of the hills above the city, offers panoramic views of Bamberg and the surrounding countryside. Exploring its towers and walls connects visitors with the town's medieval past. Bamberg also hosts cultural events and festivals throughout the year, from music performances to traditional markets that bring the historic streets to life. In December, the Christmas markets fill the air with festive lights, scents, and the warmth of mulled wine. Bamberg is a town where history and everyday life blend seamlessly. Whether you are captivated by its architecture, drawn in by its legends, or simply enjoying a glass of local beer in a centuries-old tavern, Bamberg leaves a lasting impression. It is a place that manages to feel both timeless and vibrant, offering visitors a journey into the past while remaining a lively and welcoming town in the heart of Germany.